Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you could join me today. You're in the right place if you are new to the accounting world. In this video, we will break down some key accounting terms and concepts that often seem intimidating. I promise they are not as scary as they sound. By the end of this video, you will better understand these terms and feel more confident in your accounting journey. So let's dive in and make accounting easy. Before we get started, thank you for liking and sharing this video. It really helps out this channel. Please consider subscribing so you don't miss new videos. Your comments are also greatly appreciated. So, why did I decide to record this video? When faced with accounting terminology, most people feel overwhelmed and intimidated. The sheer number of unfamiliar words and concepts can be daunting, making it difficult to know where to start. It's like trying to read a foreign language. It's hard to understand. We might feel like we are not smart enough or that it is only for accounting experts. The truth is that accounting terminology is not rocket science, but it does require some effort to learn. Let's break down some key accounting terms into easy-to-understand definitions. Note that I have a playlist for each topic we discussed today. Once you feel comfortable with the term, make sure to explore each playlist to advance your accounting knowledge. You may already have heard of the accounting equation, which is the key to understanding accounting. Why is the accounting equation important? It is a fundamental concept in accounting that represents the relationship between a company's assets, liabilities, and owners' or shareholders' equity. The equation is assets equal liabilities plus owners' equity. Today, we will explore each component of the equation. If you haven't mastered the accounting equation yet, I have a video to help you. I am posting the link to the video here and in the description below. Assets are essentially anything your business owns, like cash, inventory, or property. Liabilities, on the other hand, are debts or amounts your business owes. Equity is the difference between the two, the value of what you own minus what you owe. Think of it like your personal net worth, the value of your assets minus your debts. Owner's equity includes capital stock and retained earnings. Capital stock represents investments by owners of a corporation. The retained earnings account represents all the accumulated earnings of the company since inception that haven't been paid to owners. In other words, the retained earnings account includes revenue, expenses, and dividends. Revenue is the income generated from selling products or services, while expenses are the costs incurred to generate that revenue. Net income is the difference between the two, the money left over after you have paid all your expenses. Imagine selling lemonade at a stand. Your revenue is the money you collected from selling lemonade. Your expenses are the costs of the lemons, sugar, and cups, and your net income is the money you have left over. Dividends are the percentage of company's earnings that is paid to its shareholders as their share of the profits. Depreciation is the decrease in the value of an asset over time. For example, a car loses value as it ages. Amortization is the process of spreading the cost of an intangible asset over its useful life. Think of it as paying for a subscription service. You pay a fixed amount for a year, and the cost is spread over the entire year. As we master these accounting terms, we start to feel a sense of confidence and control. Financial reports and balance sheets no longer intimidate us. We can finally understand what CPAs, accountants, and financial advisors are talking about, and we can make important decisions about our finance and businesses. Let's recap the main accounting terms we have discussed today: assets, liabilities, equity, capital, dividends, revenue, expenses, net income, depreciation, and amortization. These concepts are not as complicated as they seem, and once you understand them, you will be empowered to advance your career in accounting. Thanks for joining me on this journey to master accounting terms in just a few minutes. If you have a favorite accounting term or want to explore more financial topics, comment below or check out another video on our channel. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you all again in the next video.